In this video, I am taking my 2013 Honda Fit Sport, that's a daily, and I don't know if I'm making it more of a daily or I'm ruining the daily factor. I am about to slap on some 4-piston big brake kit. Yeah, I don't know. I guess we're just gonna see what it feels like, I guess. I don't know.
All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for whatever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. The comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chilling in the desert, I'm good under pressure. Stick around with me, hold it down, look at what we found. This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout. Stick around with me, hold it down, look at what we found. Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground with me to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud. They was talking about all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for whatever, I'll be front and center. Quick to sever, however, whoever. Raining from above, we shooting down through your umbrella. Ay, getting fed up, nothing you could tell us.
Finished up the car last night, got the brakes bled. However, I thought I could get by using a little AutoZone special spacer and putting my wheels on.
But no, it actually rubs.
I had to order some spacers last night from Amazon, 1-day delivery. Thank you to Amazon for having that, by the way. It's around 6 o'clock right now. They've been out for delivery for like the past 4 hours, so I don't know when they'll arrive. But the calipers are on. My setup is different from what actually comes in the JSR kit. These are Mini Cooper rotors, and it rained today, so that's why you see rust already. But as you guys can see, they're not centered. Like, the lugs aren't centered on the rotor. So whenever you hear people talk about doing the ITR big brake setup, they never mention that you need the rotor shim so you can center this up. Now, I talked to the homie Mark from Honda Street Garage. He said you don't have to run them, but under harsh braking, the rotor will move because it's not centered. So I went ahead and ordered the shim kit off Amazon as well. That'll be in tomorrow, actually. So if I get the spacers on, I'm gonna put the wheels on the ground today so I can hit the gym. I haven't hit the gym in 2 days now, so I'm gonna link everything that I did purchase down below along with the rotors. I got these off Rock Auto. StubTech brake line has been installed. All right, so we got the spacers in. Let's see this Amazon quality. Feel decent. Don't feel too bad. But these are just gonna hold me over until we get coilovers and put wheels. So with the spacers on, I'm a bit skeptical. The reviews were like, bro, these things, I needed them. So I'm not sure what to expect. I haven't even drove the car to embed the braking system in yet. So I don't even know if this thing will drive properly. But there's only one way to find out, and I need to go to the gym to get some gains. So let's hopefully voyage to the gym. I think these $35 Amazon special spacers are doing its job. I think I'm golden, boys. I'm golden. It's the next day, and I got the package from Amazon that I needed to show you how to space out these goddamn rotors. So in the previous clip, you saw me install this spacer, which is cool, it's fine, whatever. And it kind of centered up the rotor a little bit. I don't know if it did actually, I'm just talking hoopla. So we're gonna take this back off, and then we're going to install what's in this package right here. I got these off Amazon, $8, $10. Some websites sell them for 40, 50. There's no way in hell I'm paying 40, 50 bucks just for some shims, bro. eBay and Amazon is the GOAT. So as you guys can see, the rotor is hella loose. So by us putting these inside there, that gap is gone. This right here, no one mentions this. No one literally mentions this. Like, why, bro? Like, this is not good. Not going nowhere now. $10, Amazon. Yes, we got 2017 Zosh before GTA 6. My number one recommendation for starting to modify a car is suspension. Suspension and wheels are the first two mods you should ever do to any car you start to modify. Unless it's a BMW, then you just junk it. I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I've been waiting on these coilovers for the past, I don't even know how long it's been. I've been waiting a while and they finally arrived. It's been real, y'all. The Fit Build series shall be coming to an end this video. So let's put the car in the garage and start the process of swapping on these coilovers, baby.
Never switch on the homies in the day ones. They didn't wanna open doors, so we made some. Took a bow on these haters like I'm Trey Young. That direct deposit hitting like a bass drum. Incoming, coming, coming, coming. Keep it incoming, coming, coming, coming. Keep it incoming. Never switch on the that I came up with. No new friends with the same old clique. Couple old homies went and stabbed me in the back, but it's no love lost. I'll probably bless them with some stacks. That direct deposit lovely. Went from shaking Kool-Aid packets to popping bubbly. Went from asking women for hugs and now they hugging me. Ain't life lovely? Do it so good, make a hater wanna. Never switch on the homies in the day ones. They didn't wanna open doors, so we made some. Take a bow on these haters like I'm Trey Young. That direct deposit hitting like a bass drum. Incoming, coming, coming, coming. Keep it incoming, coming, coming, coming. Keep it incoming. Gucci bucket hats and Louis Vuitton wallets. My hand been itching, I call it the Palm Pilot. Landed on some acres, I probably should start buying, but I keep spending money on jewelry and fine dining. God just blessed me with a rollie, I call it divine timing. Came up out the Honda, the Tessie is self-driving. Still in first class, I got goals to fly private. Sweden every winter, I'm racking up sky mileage. Never switch on the homies in the day ones. They didn't wanna open doors, so we made some. Take a bow on these haters like I'm Trey Young. That direct deposit hitting like a bass drum. Incoming, coming, coming, coming. Keep it incoming, coming, coming, coming. Keep it incoming.
The fit build is finally complete. Kind of. Yeah, kind of. Here is my 2013 Honda Fit Sport. And if you're new here, this is an automatic. This is my second Fit. I've always wanted a white Fit when I did get my first one, but I had to settle for the black one. It was a 2-owner car, and for the price, I paid $45 for that Fit. And yeah, it was great. It was a great Fit. I could have just got it repainted, but then life happened, and unfortunately, I had to get rid of it. So then I had to get my life back together, and here we are a year later with a new Fit. It was originally gray, painted it white, did all the things I did for my previous Fit onto this Fit. Got the Spoon Sport style mirrors, JDM tail lights, the JDM emblems. Got a 4-piston big brake kit on the car, and I got some raised gram lights. The reason why I say it's somewhat complete is because of the rear. This is the lowest it will go, and I'm pretty much like maxing out a lot of things, but this is like the lowest due to the spring size that came with the Riaction Coilovers. That's the best you're gonna get right there, Papa. However, I did just place an order for some 6-inch 8K springs. So they're gonna be a shorter spring, which allows me to go a little bit lower in the rear to basically match the front, because the front is just perfect. And I could go lower too, but this right here is perfect. Like, I'm keeping it this high. I just gotta roll the fender, as you can see. I just have to roll my front fender so I can get rid of the rubbing, but dude, it's perfect. I love this car. I love this car. Let this be a testament, y'all. Like, if you gotta sacrifice some things to get ahead in life, let it go, bro. Let it go, because who knows, in a year later or less, you'll be back and better than ever. Minus the rear fitment, my car is perfect. Although, I do have a TPMS light, and I also have an ABS light. I think I broke my ABS sensor, and I looked at the prices on the new one. Yeah, that shit's gonna stay broken, bro. Like, right now, at the time of this recording, I'm broke, bitch! Yeah, it's rough. People think I'm joking. I'm dead ass serious. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this build series on the Honda Fit. Quick and easy, nothing too crazy. I am gonna make a build breakdown video of the Fit and let you guys know how much I spent in total for everything. So look out for that video. Just give me more reasons to post. I think that's gonna be it for this one, y'all. Everything that I added to this car in this video will be linked down in the description box below. So if you guys want to save money on parts, be sure to click the links down in the description box below. And I will be sure to catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. And I'm out. Peace.